Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest products that matter to you. Today, we're taking a close look at the Nutribullet SmartSense 5-speed full-size blender in matte black, a sleek and powerful blender that's making waves in the kitchen. With a 1400-watt motor and a smart auto cycle that adjusts itself based on your ingredients, this blender promises precision and power. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what this blender brings to the table. The Nutribullet SmartSense features a dynamic 5-speed range, allowing you to blend everything from delicate nut flours to creamy nut milks without any need for straining. It even has a smart auto cycle, a really interesting feature that senses the load of your ingredients and automatically adjusts the speed, time, and function for the smoothest result. You won't need to guess at the settings, just drop in your ingredients and the blender does the thinking for you. The blender includes a 64-ounce pitcher, a lid with a pour spout, a tamper, a recipe book, and a user guide. It's designed to be intuitive with a simple dot matrix display and straightforward buttons, making it easy for anyone to use. The 1400-watt motor packs a punch, giving you the power you need for both light blending tasks and heavy-duty functions, like crushing ice or blending thick smoothies. Now, let's dive into the real-world usage. Setting up the Nutribullet SmartSense was incredibly straightforward. You won't need to spend much time figuring things out. The interface is intuitive with clearly labeled buttons and a display that makes it easy to select your speed. When I tried it out, I started with a simple smoothie blend. It handled the frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk with ease, creating a perfectly smooth texture in just under a minute. The auto cycle feature was especially impressive. It adjusted itself automatically to make sure everything was blended just right. Next, I tried making some nut milk. Normally, I would expect a bit of a struggle when blending nuts into a smooth consistency, but this blender was up to the task. The result was silky smooth almond milk, no straining required. But not everything was perfect. When it came to blending thicker ingredients, like frozen chunks of mango or a thicker smoothie base, the blender took a little longer than I expected to fully blend everything together. I did have to use the tamper a couple of times to push things down into the blades. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it was something I noticed during testing. The 1400-watt motor certainly provides power, but the blender could do with a slightly more consistent performance on thicker blends. Speaking of the tamper, it's a helpful tool, but it's not dishwasher safe, which was a bit of a downside. You'll need to hand wash it, which is fine, but I would have preferred something more convenient, especially for a blender at this price point. Also, while the pitcher is dishwasher safe, the motor base isn't, so you'll have to wipe it down with a damp cloth. It's easy enough, but it does require a little more effort than some other blenders on the market. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? The Nutribullet SmartSense blender really excels in versatility. The smart auto cycle is a game changer, and the powerful motor combined with precise speed settings makes it great for everything from smoothies to nut butters. It's a solid, durable build, and the 64-ounce pitcher is perfect for larger batches. Plus, the design is modern and sleek, and the intuitive interface makes it a breeze to operate. However, it does have some cons. For one, while the motor is powerful, it doesn't quite handle thicker blends as seamlessly as I would like. I found myself using the tamper a bit more than expected. Another downside is the cleaning routine. While the pitcher is dishwasher safe, the tamper and motor base require hand washing, which is a small inconvenience. These issues aren't deal breakers, but they're worth considering depending on how often you plan to use the blender. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Nutribullet SmartSense offers a lot of power and functionality, but it's priced on the higher side for a blender. At around $200, it's in line with premium blenders that offer smart features and high-performance motors. Competing models like the Vitamix 5200 or Blendtec Total Blender are similarly priced, but they may offer a more consistent blending experience for thick blends and are often more well-known for their durability over time. That said, if you're specifically looking for a blender with smart features, and the ability to handle everything from delicate ingredients to ice crushing, the Nutribullet SmartSense is a solid option. Just be prepared to work with the tamper a bit more on those thicker blends. In terms of build quality, the Nutribullet SmartSense feels sturdy and well-made. The pitcher is made of BPA-free plastic and has a good weight to it, while the motor base is heavy and solid. It's designed to last, but of course, longevity in kitchen appliances depends on how often you use them and how well you maintain them. Based on Nutribullet's track record, you can generally expect this blender to hold up well over time with proper care. As for customer support, Nutribullet is generally known for responsive service. I haven't had to reach out personally, but they offer a warranty, and reviews online indicate that their customer service team is relatively easy to get in touch with and helpful when issues arise. To wrap things up, the Nutribullet SmartSense 5-speed blender is a powerful, versatile appliance that's perfect for those who want a little extra help in the kitchen. Its smart auto cycle is an innovative feature, and the precision speeds offer a lot of control over what you're blending. It handles smoothies and nut milks with ease. And while it struggles a bit with thicker ingredients, it's still a great option for those looking for a reliable blender. The value is solid, especially if you're drawn to the convenience of the smart features. However, if you're looking for something that handles thick blends more consistently or a bit more ease of use with cleaning, there are other high-end options available. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Nutribullet SmartSense, check the comments for the link to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from Reviewsinsidetv. Thank you for watching, and as always, goodbye till next time, where we'll keep bringing the best and the worst all inside your screen.